Hello everyone. Question is a machine learning specialist is building a logistic regression model that will predict whether or not a person will order a pizza. The specialist is trying to build the optimal model with an ideal classification threshold. What model evaluation techniques should the specialist use to understand how different classification thresholds will impact the model's performance? Option A Receiver Operating Characteristic ROC curve. Option B Misclassification rate. Option C Root Mean Square Error RMS. Option D L1 norm. Correct answer is option A. Question is a machine learning specialist trained a regression model but the first iteration needs optimizing. The specialist needs to understand whether the model is more frequently overestimating or underestimating the target. What option can the specialist use to determine whether it is overestimating or underestimating the target value? Option A Root Mean Square Error RMSE. Option B Residual plots. Option C Area under the curve. Option D Confusion matrix. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is when submitting Amazon SageMaker training jobs using one of the built-in algorithms, which common parameters must be specified? Select three options. Option A The training channel identifying the location of training data on an Amazon S3 bucket. Option B The validation channel identifying the location of validation data on an Amazon S3 bucket. Option C The IAM role that Amazon SageMaker can assume to perform tasks on behalf of the users. Option D Hyperparameters in a JSON array as documented for the algorithm used. Option E The Amazon EC2 instance class specifying whether training will be run using CPU or GPU. The Option F The output path specifying where on an Amazon S3 bucket the trained model will persist. Correct answer is option A, C, and option F. Question is a machine learning specialist built an image classification deep learning model. However, the specialist ran into an overfitting problem in which the training and testing accuracies were 99% and 75% respectively. How should the specialist address this issue and what is the reason behind it? Option A The learning rate should be increased because the optimization process was trapped at a local minimum. Option B The dropout rate at the flattened layer should be increased because the model is not generalized enough. Option C The dimensionality of dense layer next to the flattened layer should be increased because the model is not complex enough. Option D The epoch number should be increased because the optimization process was terminated before it reached the global minimum. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.